Hi, my name is Kev from dataSights, and in this short video, I'm going to show you how you can push your Accelo data to Google Sheets. So you definitely need your Data Hub account, free trial. We show you how to do it, sync your data, cloud database, all magic and wonderful. Of course, we're here every step of the way in case you need assistance. And now you've decided, cool, now I've got some data that I want to push up to Google Sheets. So the first thing is to come into Services and Tools and go to the G Sheet Push service. Go and click Add New. Give this a name. So what you would have done is created a blank spreadsheet. This one's populated already, but imagine it was blank. I'm sure we can give that a go. Say we wanted to call this the Accelo whip view. Yep, seems like a good name for a custom whip view. Then we can come back in here. We can give this a name. That is important. That is the actual name of the tab. The Google Sheet ID, that is just this crazy number at the top here in the URL. So if you can get in there, it's Google Sheet ID, that'd be great. And then we get to the views. Okay, so what a view is it's just a query over the Accelo tables. We don't allow you to push your raw Accelo tables up to Google Sheets because Google Sheets has got a limit, 400,000 cells. 100,000 rows times 4 columns, or roughly around there. It's still a lot of data, but some clients have got millions of activity records. So if you don't know how to create a SQL view, not a problem. Hit us up in the chat box. We'll bash one out quickly, and then it'll be in this list for you to select. So bottom line is you can then just go and pick a view. Actually, the whip view that we'll be pushing, but this is just a demo, so it doesn't really matter. And then save. And essentially now we have this. So what's going to happen now is that the next time we sync your Accelo data, we'll also pick up that you want to push some data to Google Sheets, and we'll push it up to Google Sheets. So any questions, anytime, just hit us in the chat box, phone, email, Slack, Teams, Pigeon Carrier, whatever floats your boat, and we'll be here to assist and guide you. Cool. Thank you very much.